How is everybody doing? I am actually excited, ecstatic, and everything because actually I have somebody here that I have been following for a while. On the post that I was going to interview Anthony Morrison. I don't know how much of an introduction I need to give, but just for if anybody does not know who he is, I will give an introduction. But
people ask me all the time, they say, what is the best affiliate program? Listen, this one paid me $1,534,000, $192 You want to learn what it is? Let's dive in right now. Hey, what's up? Anthony Morrison, and I am super excited in this video to talk to you about how I got paid $1,534,000, and here is a live preview inside of my account, still getting probably match even more from it. And in fact, you probably saw the screenshot, but I'm going to go in and show you because I know there's a lot of haters. There's a lot of people that say, no, he didn't really get paid that. So show my computer screen real fast. Here is a live preview inside of my account. Probably matching the screenshot you saw.
Let me first talk about I was going to interview Anthony Morrison. I don't know how much of an introduction I need. I'm so happy for if anybody does not know. She said it's about time because Anthony Morrison has been a household name in our household for the past 2 years. About time. So this is, I'm so happy for this. I'm excited. I know he's excited. It's about time. Just a little bit of background about him. I have been following him in our household for the past 2 years. Probably about two and a half years. Pretty much introduced. I'm excited. I know he's excited, but just a little bit of background about him. I guess actually, well, kind of filtered down. Actually, that was somewhat of a funnel that I had. So I started with Ty Lopez to him through social, actually not really social media marketing, but just I guess actually, well, kind of changing the mindset. Filtered down. Actually, that was somewhat of a funnel that I had. And then I guess